Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all, switch to the video one. We will check whether this option will appear right here. Unfortunately not, which means that we have to open the settings. So let's tap on them. They are in the right upper corner, and here in the video settings we've got the video resolution at the top. So this is the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got plenty of settings to choose from. We've got 4K 1080p, actually 3 options, and 720p 2 options, and the difference is in the ratio, of course, 16:9, 18:9 or 21:9. All you have to do is to tap on the option like this. I'll choose 4K, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.